Hello everyone, let's start new chapter market around civics. So in this chapter we will come to know about the different levels of the market sites and chain of market. At another level we also explore and indicate the question how do goods reach this market and how many people involved in the chain of market. Okay, market usually we associate with the place where buying and selling activity is going. But there is another mean of market we will come to and discuss in this chapter. So let's start the chapter. We go to the market for buy the things like vegetable, clothes, or the kitchen utensils, kitchen items, utensils, and everything we buy from the market because we people are not generally visit the factory and buy the things. The everything is the are necessary item present in the market, and the market is a place where the buying and selling activities is conducted. Now, in simply word, we can say the market is a place where the buyer and the seller meet and the conduct the buy and selling activities. Am I right? Now, we require a lot of things for our daily use. This, we visit a number of market, including weekly market, neighborhood market, wholesale market. Okay, and sometimes we also visit malls and other large shopping complex for the buying the things. All that depends upon whether you live in the town, city, or the metropolitan city. The level of the market depends on this area. As such as if we will talk about the Delhi, Bombay, Kolkata, and Chennai, so we know very well the malls is there. But if you talk about the small market, small town area, so there is a retailer shop and the uh, weekly market is there. So there is a market. So let's talk about the weekly market. Yes, the weekly market is so called because it is held on a specific day of the week. Can any one of you tell me in your locality if there is a weekly market, recognize that market, name of that market? Any one of you? Yes, Tanvi?
Ma'am, Tuesday market, Mangal
Yes,
Bazaar.
the Tuesday market. It's mean that market held in on which day? Tuesday. So the day is specified day of the market. That is why it is known as the weekly market. Once in a day of the week, it will be held in that area, and area wise it is different. Varies in day, the days varies in area wise. Weekly market don't have permanent shop. That is why whatever the things seller sale, that is cheap, the rate is, the price is cheap comparatively the other market like mall shops and the retailer shop. Why? Because the traders in the mall and the retailer shop, the traders set up the shop for the day or they close them in the evening in the weekly market. But if we compare with the shop, those have a retail or the mall shop, they have to be pay the electricity bill, rent, or other allowances, other taxes. So they all think these things add in the price of the product. So in this way the price of that product increase, and they also selling the branded goods. But if we talk about the weekly market, the shop don't have permanent shop, they don't uh, pay the electricity bill, they don't hire the labor, so all the investment on that shop is reduced, the less the cut off. So that is why the price of the things which is sale in the weekly market, the price of things is cheap if we compare with the neighborhood market shops or the mall shops product. Fine. Okay, everyone. And the same place you will visit many you will same thing you will uh, the same place there is a number of stalls, the shop selling the same goods. So the because of the competition of the customer can get the things much at much cheap rates. So that is why the rate of the product is very less. and the different thing that we need available at the one place, the same place, so we don't run to the different place to buy the things. Thirdly, we prefer going to the weekly market because we have a choice of the variety of goods at the same place. The, as I told you, the many stall the same item, same product, same item, the one place, so the customer having a choice to buy from any stall. The market is cheap because there's nothing to be spent on the rent, even on the salary of the staff, because the shop owner don't do their work along with the member of their family of these. So there is a the they reduce their investment. So that is why the things which are sale in the weekly market are cheap comparatively other. Okay. But what is the advantage of this? Yes, that the customer buy the things at same place. No need to move from one market to other. Okay. And the customer also having a choice, a variety of goods. Now, if we talk about the shops and how, what is the disadvantage, that the buyer and the customer, the consumer are not know to each other. So that is why the buyer not sell their goods in on credit. Cash purchase hota hai. But in the shop, in the neighborhood market, the shopkeeper know the customer very well, so he can give the things on debit or sorry, on credit. Okay, fine. That is the advantage of neighborhood market for the customer. Okay. Now, Tanvi, can you read the chapter?
Yes, ma'am. Markets around us. We go to the market to buy many things like vegetables, soup, toothpaste, masala, bread, rice, dal, clothes, notebooks, biscuits, etc. If we make a list of the goods that we purchase, it would be really long. There are many kinds of markets that we may visit for our everyday needs. These can include shops, hawker stalls in our neighborhood, a weekly market, a large shopping complex, perhaps even a mall. In this chapter, we will look at some of these markets and try to understand how the goods that are sold there reach buyers, who these buyers are, who these sellers are, and the sorts of problems they face. Weekly market. A weekly market is so called because it is held on a specific day of the week. Weekly markets do not have permanent shops. Traders set up shops for the day and then close them up in the evening. Then they may set up at a different place the next day. There are thousands of such markets in India. People come here for their everyday requirements. Many things in weekly markets are available at cheaper rates.
Thank you,
This is
Tanvi.
because
Okay, Vedika, please read.
Yes, ma'am. Many things in weekly markets are available at cheaper rates. This is because when shops are in permanent buildings, they incur a lot of expenditure. They have to pay rent, electricity, fees to the government. They also have to pay wages to their workers. In weekly markets, these shop owners store the things they sell at home. Most of them are held by their family members and hence do not need to hire workers. Weekly markets also have a large number of shops selling the same goods, which mean there is a competition among them. If some trader were to charge a high price, people would move to another shop where the same thing may be available more cheaply or where the buyer can bargain and bring the price down. One of the advantages of weekly markets is that most things you need are available at one place. Whether you want vegetables, groceries, or cloth items, utensils, all of them can be found here. You do not have to go to different areas to buy different things. People also prefer going to a market where they have a choice and a variety of goods.
Thank you, Vedika.